the Harley Davidson Motorcycle Company of York, Pennsylvania.
Harley Davidson had been manufacturing motorbikes and motorcycles since about 1903. We produce most of the heavyweight motorcycles sold in the United States. We are also the last American-owned and operated motorcycle manufacturer in the country. The rest are all Japanese. When the raw steel comes into our plant, it's stamped into different parts. These red-hot struts will become part of the frame of a motorcycle. Over here, these oiled sheets will be stamped into fenders. The unfinished struts will be chromed. The fenders are painted and polished. Eventually, all the parts we make ourselves and those we buy from outside suppliers find their way onto the assembly line. Here, what starts at one end as virtually nothing becomes at the other end a Harley Davidson motorcycle.